So this is a Mammoth unit, one of the floors of the client that we're working with. We assembly the whole unit. You can see here how everything is already on. The unit is working. Here you have the filter rack that gets filled with all the dirtiness, I'll say, of everything that is in the air. You can see here how everything connects, the ducts, the pipes, and the electrical door. It's there where it says Mammoth. You can see the temperature in that little box, the gray box. That is what indicates all the information that we need. Right now it says heating 67 Fahrenheit.